atmosphere. Ain't got the time. I've been chasing you around, chasing you around.
Alright, what's up guys, Saif, Ashraf here. iPhone launch day today. We're going to pick up my phone. And I get it, it's kind of not very bright outside. You might be thinking like most YouTubers do their pickup videos at like store opening time. I had work all day, alright? So it's not really my fault. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna go now. My check-in time is 8 PM, it's 7:27 right now. My car has actually zero fuel inside, literally zero. So we're gonna have to do that first. Hopefully we don't meet traffic today. But yeah, iPhone launch day. I'm a little bit late, but let's go and get my 17 Pro. Alright guys, it's 7:50 right now, 10 minutes until my check-in time. We also have Jisan coming, and you guys might have already seen that Rafi ramen noodles. We've seen it before. Is also here. But yeah, I don't know why Westfield is very busy today. Look, I know I should have came in the morning. You guys wanted to see the content first and everything. I thought this would be a more quiet time. I didn't think people were gonna be this busy. Like at this time, I've been Westfield and it's been empty. Clearly a lot of people have stuff to do on a Friday evening. Go home, watch YouTube. You guys have seen Jisan before. Oh, that was a clean dapper. That was a really clean dapper. Guys, I haven't even got to the Apple store yet, but I can see from here there's already a line. I have 5 minutes till my booking time. Hopefully they just let me in. I'm not trying to wait in a line. And when Rafi gets mad, he won't like see if somebody's in the line or not. But yeah, I mean, my check-in time's in 5 minutes. They should just let me in. This random security guard looked at me and my friend group and said, there's no way you guys are picking up a phone. Where's your ID? I need to see some ID. They looked at Jisan and said, where's your ID? I showed them my pass and they put me in some random queue without checking anything. I'm gonna have to question him afterwards. You're finally at the front of the line. The guy was just about to ask me, do you want to buy a phone? And he walked off. But at least we're at the front of the line. Wait, he's coming back? He walked off. We're going inside. I don't know where to go. She just told me come inside. She didn't tell me what to do. It's so busy. Still following her. I don't know if I should be following her. I'm still following her. I'm still following her. I followed her all the way to the end. Sit here, yeah? Turn it off. Alright guys, so we did get into a bit of a hiccup, but come on now. This blue color, even on the box, is looking good. We got the deep blue, 256 gigabytes. Yeah, that's it. There's not really much other information. I have a lot of accessories at home. Do we unbox in the car or do we unbox when we get to my house?
Let's do it in the car, new content.
Alright, we'll unbox it in the car. And yeah, deep blue. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I have my 16 Pro. I'm gonna trade it in. I'm not gonna keep it, but I'm gonna trade it in afterwards. I'm not gonna trade it in now, so I can get some comparison content out for you guys. But we need to get to the car without getting robbed. We're in Stratford. Literally, you never know who's around your shoulder. All right, let's go. Are you recording?
No.
We need to find my car. I don't know where it is. It might be this Mercedes. Which car did I bring today?
Oh no, I bought you one. The Rolls Royce.
Oh, did we come in a Rolls Royce?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, it might have been the new M5. Was it this one? Whoever's car this is, give me my car back.
Some things will never change. I keep on playing.
Alright, so we in the car. Let's do a little bit of a car unboxing. Never done this before, but hey, 17 Pro launch day. We do need to record a TikTok as well though. Yeah, it's very hot in here. Do you think it's better if we just do it at home?
Oh, actually, yeah, because the lighting here is a bit...
The lighting's
so
bad. I need to record a
actually
TikTok as well. It's too hot. We'll see you when we get home.
One night, give me just one night, one night, give me just one night.
You know, I just realized the lighting in this house is no better than over there in my car, because my lights literally don't work. We've been trying to contact an electrician for at least a couple months now because my literal lights don't work in my living room. So we're gonna have to unbox it in the night.
I made this.
Let's finally unbox the iPhone 17 Pro in what's this color called? let's unbox the iPhone 17 Pro in this deep blue colorway. 250. I don't need to say that. Now back to this camera. So iPhone 17 Pro, we got it in the deep blue color. 256 gigabytes, and yeah, this phone is actually going to be looking a lot different compared to other iPhones we've seen.
Is it?
Yes, it will be, but there it is. First TikTok sees it. Yeah, you guys have to wait. That's the iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue. That is actually looking pretty good, and now you guys get to see it. iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue. It's kind of underwhelming when you realize how much money you spent on a phone, and that's how quick the unboxing experience ended. But yeah, we'll take off the plastic. I know some of you guys had a reaction to that. What else do we have? We have a SIM ejection tool in here. A lot of you guys didn't have a SIM ejection tool because of the eSIM thing. But yes, we still have eSIM, which also kind of means we have worse battery, and USB-C to C cable. And also paperwork, no stickers. Because Apple, Tim Cook, we're going to have a word about that. The 17 Pro is looking good. This deep blue color is actually beautiful. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the deep blue?
I think it looks quite deep, quite blue. It's quite nice.
It looks deep and blue and it looks good. But yeah, let me set up this phone, bro. Alright guys, it took a while, but the 17 Pro, I have a case on it. Wait, hold on, let me take the case off. The iPhone 17 Pro is currently set up. I mean, it's on. It has my account and everything. The only things that is happening right now is everything's obviously downloading and everything. We did order Uber Eats. It's coming in about 10-15 minutes. But yeah, right now we're running a bit of FIFA, Jisan versus Rafi, the better player. I'm not even gonna comment on that before I get executed. But yeah, quick look between the iPhone 16 Pro and 17 Pro though. The 17 Pro does look like the cheaper phone, I'm not gonna lie. The 16 Pro does look a little bit more premium, especially with this new but with the desert titanium color and the titanium sides, compared to the iPhone 17 Pro, which is, again, I've said this in so many TikTok videos, more like a tool. But yeah, I mean, I don't know, it's a bit underwhelming. I've said this a lot to Jisan and Rafi as well when I was looking at the phone. But I literally sat down and said, okay, the design is new, but what else? Year on year, you should never upgrade. The 16 Pro is already a great phone, except for the battery life. It's honestly been terrible. But yeah, full day in the life will definitely come soon though, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on that. But yeah, I will be back once a little bit more stuff has been downloaded, and I'll also show you the food that we bought. Alright guys, the 17 Pro is currently charging right now. The data is still being recovered and stuff. I'm gonna leave that how it is. Smoke and Pepper didn't sponsor this video, but they should. I know the owners watching this video sponsor this video. But yeah, make sure to subscribe. We're gonna be doing a day in the life video with the 17 Pro. Hopefully Jisan and Rafi will make a little bit of a sneaky intermission within the video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this little launch day in the life vlog. But yeah, with that said, I'm gonna eat my food now, and yeah, don't disturb us.
I agree.